Hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to stop by real quick and show you I had been trying to find some cords with the clasp already on them, like the lobster clasp, and you know you can get them in quantities anywhere from 20 to maybe 100 at a time. So I was looking for the cotton cords with the clasp already on them, and I couldn't find any. And everywhere that I looked, which was like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, a couple other wholesale online stores, they had them, but I can't get them until like July. Like the middle of July, the end of July. I'm like, wow. And then a lot of them were out of stock, and I'm like, okay, I just want to try your product and see if it's good product. So I want to get like 20 or 30 just to start, just to check the product out, you know, like a tester. And they were all out of stock, or I couldn't get it until, like I said, late July. So I'm like, wait, this makes no sense. So of course I needed a cord for what I call my skinny minis, right? My little wire wrapped pendant necklaces. So these are on my Etsy store. I'll put a link below. So I've been doing a lot of these, and I ran out of cord. And I generally get the cord from a local craft store here where I live, and they're out of the cord. So I called around. They have 4 stores, I think. I called one, and all of the stores are having lines where you have to wait like over an hour to actually get into the store. So I called one, and I was actually, the lady said, well, it's 10-15 minutes to get into the store. So I said, okay, I'm on my way. So I get there, and the only cord that they had, of course, was the Silky cord. So I had to go ahead and get the Silky cord. They didn't have any already made necklace with the clasp on. I'm like, man, okay, I'll go ahead and buy it and then see how it works out. So I bought the cord. I got some lobster clasp, I got some jump rings, and so on and so forth. And I think they came out pretty good. Pretty good. So what I did do is I glued it first. So I took the cord and I folded it. Of course, I cut them off to be 24-inch long necklaces, right? So then I gave a little extra to fold over. So what I did was fold it over, and I glued it first. So I glued it, and then I took it and I wrapped it with wire just to secure it. And I was calculating how much I spent. I actually bought 3 of these, what's on here, 2mm Silky cords. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't tell you how many yards they are. So I got 3 of these. I got 2 packs of clasp, and they have 6 each. I got a bag of jump rings, and I came out of there paying less than $12. So everything was on sale, so that worked out really good for me. So, and I'm thinking, okay, I can get 12 at least. Well, I can get more than 12 with the cord that I have, but I'll have to buy more of the lobster clasp, and I'll go online and actually buy a large quantity of these. But it looks like I will more than likely do better making them myself as opposed to paying for, and they're not really expensive. I think 100 was like maybe 20 bucks, and you might even be able to get them for a little cheaper than that. But where their security is for me is knowing that they're secure, the clasp, and also, you know, where the wire is, because when you buy them, you really don't know. And then I'm a reviews kind of girl. I like to read the reviews, and a lot of the reviews were not, you know, like the best reviews. And of course, you know, they put the best reviews first. So if they got like 143 reviews, of course the best of those reviews are gonna be what you see first. So I like to go to the very last reviews, which are the worst reviews, and then I kind of work my way from there. And even with the percentage being like 70%, 85%, I was like, you know what, even with that, if I make it myself, I know the quality of it. And like I said, they're glued down first, and then I wrap them in the wire. So that's like double security, you know, for me. So, and they worked out pretty good. I like them. I like the way they turned out. I like my little skinny minis. And that's what I'm calling these, skinny minis. I just dig the whole creativity of them overall. So I think I'll just go ahead and do this as opposed to buying them wholesale. So that worked out for me. And I was just like, wow, I really don't want to have to do all that. You know, it's extra work. That takes more time. But even putting in the time, you're sure, you know, that you're getting the best product because, you know, I'm putting it together. So it works out for me. And I actually use that, I was telling you the other day, I bought that colored wire. And this is the silver. It's supposed to be 18 gauge, but it's not 18 gauge. It's really thin. So if you see, I can bend this, right? But it still came out pretty good. I probably won't order any more of the wire because it is too thin. That's like, this is 18 gauge. And you know, there's no way you're gonna bend this like you bend this. So, but it still looks nice. I'll just make this one of my less expensive pieces. This too will be on, I think it's on Etsy now, so I'll put the link in the description area. Anyway, that's it for now. I got another delivery coming in tomorrow with beads that I bought from another new supplier. So I'll see how those beads work out, and I'll go ahead and do a video. And I think at some point I'll go ahead and include the name for where I'm buying the different beads from, and then that way if you want to go and purchase or do whatever, you're welcome to do so. That's it. Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Talk to you soon.